The heck is that? They kind of look like little bears. Or maybe cats. Looks like they're being chased.
Just leave us alone, you big bullies! Run away! Don't worry about me, guys! No way! We won't leave you behind!
One of them's injured. All right. Here they come. Now! Woo! Looks like that worked. Thank goodness. I hope those adorable Bearcats made it out safe.
Hold on. They stopped chasing us.
That's weird. They were hot on our tails. There's no way they'd just give up like that.
Where are they?
The little guys came back.
Where did this big boxy thing come from? I don't think it was here when we passed by this spot earlier. Who knows?
This is pure bliss. I'd like nothing more than to sit here and be surrounded by these cuties all day. But I have to figure out what's going on.
Hello there. Thank you very much.
Oh crap! I should have expected that. If I lose these Bearcats now, who knows how long it'll be till someone else comes? In that case.
It looks different all of a sudden.
Be careful around it.
Hey, maybe we should just leave.
That kind of smells like meat.
Hello there. Please insert coins.
There's a picture of meat on the box. Maybe this thing sells food.
Yeah, well, I don't trust it. This could be a trap using food as bait. Pal, don't go near it. Hey, stay strong, Short, resist it. But it smells delicious.
Great. I think I've figured out everyone's names now. The Bearcat who's in charge is Mikane. The one with the droopy ears is Suko. The chubby guy is called Pell. And the darker furred one is Short.
I just want to try one bite. I'm so hungry I can't think straight.
Come on, have some self-control, pal. You're one of the pouched Bearcat fiends, a proud member of the Devouring Devils.
Devouring devils, huh? Wait a second! I knew these guys reminded me of something! They're Tasmanian devils! As I recall, they're carnivores that have quite the appetite.
Sorry, I can't take it anymore!